ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधिः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसम्भृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। तत्वमसि प्रकरणम महावाक्य विचार वी हैव स्टार्टेड। श्लोक 173 स्वार्थस्य हि अप्रहाणेन विशिष्टार्थ समर्पकौ प्रत्यगात्मवगत्यन्तौ नान्योर्थोऽर्थाद् विरोध्यतः। The two pada, tat pada and tvam pada, here tat is mentioned as sat. So tvam shabda, sat shabda. Between them, Purvapakshi said if they are ekartha pratipadaka, then they are paryayvachi. Like ghata kalasha, their saha prayoga is anupapanna. So Siddhanti says, no, paryayatvam is not there because their pravritti nimitta bhedas are different. So how do they do? Swarthasya aprahanena. Without giving up their swartha means one will have, when they come for vachyartha, tvam pada vachyartha comes with aparokshatva but parichinnatva. Tat pada vachyartha comes with parokshatva but aparichinnatva. So CT का नाम प्रत्यक्षत्व परोक्षत्व लक्षण स्वार्थस्य स्ववाच्यार्थस्य अप्रहाणेन एव अपरित्यागेन एव त्वं सत् शब्दौ विशिष्टार्थ समर्पकौ. त्वं शब्द and सत् शब्द. Sat means त्वं tat. How do they come? प्रत्यक्षत्व परोक्षत्व लक्षण स्वार्थस्य. प्रत्यक्ष लक्षणम प्रत्यक्ष लक्षणम नो प्रत्यक्ष तत् लक्षणंच इति प्रत्यक्ष लक्षणम. प्रत्यक्ष लक्षण स्वार्थो यस्य कस्य त्वं पदस्य. And parokshत्व will be the artha of tatpada. Similarly, parichinnatva, aparichinnatva also you can add there. So that vachyartha, swavachyarthasya aprahanena eva, without giving up, they come. Vachyartha aprahanena, aparityagena eva, tvam sat shabdau, they come and they do vishishta artha samarpanam. So vishishtartha samarpakau. This is the Swarupa. In prahana, what is the dhatu?
Hohak tyage.
Ohak tyage. Then how does ranakar come?
Lyut pratyaya.
णेरण्यति.
But lut pratyay is okay. You are a nakau. But how nakar becomes ranakar?
उपसर्गाद समासे पीणोपदेशस्य.
उपसर्गाद असमासेपि णोपदेशस्य. So prahana. अतो वाच्य भेदात न पर्यायता इत्यर्थः. Because their vachyartha bheda is there, therefore they are not paryayavachi. When we say they are one, in lakshyartha they are one, in vachyartha they are different. As vachyartha they are indicating two different things. एवं तर्हि अखंडार्थत्वेन स्यात् इति आशंक्या. Then अखंडार्थत्वेन they will be one. So Siddhanti accepts that प्रत्यगात्मावगत्यन्तौ तौ तत्वम पदार्थौ, both of them their avagati, anta, paryavasanam is in pratyagatma. Means Brahma is also pratyagatma. See, samas vigraha is given in tika. Pratyagatmanaha shuddha sakshino avagatihi tattva means pratyagatma avagatihi, pratyagatma avagatihi. प्रत्यगात्मा अवगति ही अंतो अवसानम ययोस तौ प्रत्यगात्मावगत्यन्तौ. अंत मीन्स अवसानम, पर्यवसानम. त्वम पद comes to प्रत्यगात्मा. tat pada also comes to pratyagatma in lakshyartha. So their paryavasanam is in pratyagatma alone. Okay. Now, how to understand the vakya? So this is padartha vichara is over, and he has brought them. Vachyartha is given. The vakyartha, vakya can be having artha which can be determined in three ways: sansarga vakya, vishishta vakya, and
Lakshana.
अखंडार्थ बोधक.
अखंडार्थ बोधक वाक्य. संसर्ग वाक्य, विशिष्ट वाक्य, and अखंडार्थ बोधक वाक्य. So now he takes up this topic. The shloka you have probably heard. This is famous from Vakya Vritti. Samsargo va vishishto va वाक्यार्थो नात्र सम्मतः अखंडैकरसत्वेन वाक्यार्थो विदुषां मतः. In Tattvamasi, neither it is Samsarga Vakya nor it is Vishishta Vakya. What is Samsarga Vakya, Vishishta Vakya? I will explain. Then which one it is? Akhandaikarasatvena Vakyartha. Tattvamasi Mahavakyartha. Akhandaikarasatvena Vakyartho Vidusham Matah. For wise, according to wise people, this is the Vakyartha. Sansarga Vakya is given in two ways. Both ways people take it. The simple way of understanding is Gam Dandena Anaya. Because between the pada, there is samsarga. Gau pada, Danda pada, Anayana Kriya, between them there is sansarga. So sometimes sansarga vakya is explained in this way. And Visheshana Visheshya Bhava. So Visheshana Visheshya will be between the pada like Neelam Utpalam. Dandi Purushaha. So Danda and Purusha. So between their pada, there will be Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha. But sometimes they explain the other way also. They say Gam Anaya is Visheshana Visheshya Vakya and Neelam Utpalam is Samsarga Vakya. Because between Neela Padartha and Utpala Padartha there is Sansarga. Sansarga means Sambandha. Neela Padartha, Utpala Padartha, they are Sambandhi. So in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Tika, we have put both ways because it is explained in both the ways which I have seen. This Sansarga Vakya as Neelam Utpalam and Vishishta Vakya as Gam Anaya, this Anand Giriji has explained in the Vakya Vritti Tika. Therefore, you cannot outrightly reject it. Visheshana Visheshya, Neelam and Utpalam, they have Visheshana Visheshya Bhava. So, this is one way. Or you say, Neelam Utpalam is Sansarga Vakya, where Neela Padartha, Utpala Padartha has Sambandha, Sansarga Sambandha. Sansarga is called Sambandha. And what it will do? Neelam will remove everything other than what has Neelatvam. Utpala will remove everything other than what has Utpalatvam. And therefore, that Sansarga will result in only one Padartha. And Gam Anaya, how it is Vishishta? If somebody says Gam Anaya is Vishishta, so that Gau is Anayana Kriya Vishishta, Gau. In this way. So you can explain whichever way. Mahavakya is neither of these. But in Vedanta Sara, Tika, I think it is explained other way. But you can look into it. So now here you see. Tatha, Shruyamanam Padayoho, Samanadikaranyam, and between Pada, Padartha, they have Samanadikaranyam. So Shruyamanam Padayoho, Tattvam Padayoho, Samanadikaranyam, Mitho Viruddha Vachyartha Sansarge, Anyatara Vishishte Anyatareva, Paryavasanam Agachat. The Samanadikaranyam between Tat Padartha and Tvam Padartha, Mitha means Paraspara, Viruddha Vachyartha Sansarge. Paraspar there Vachyartha is Virodha. One is Alpagnya, another is Sarvagnya, Alpa Shakti, Ananta Shakti, and Karta Bhokta, Akarta Abhokta in this way. So Vachyartha has Virodha. in Sansarga one, or Anyatara Vishishte Anyatare. Jiva Vishishta Ishvara. Anyatara means the other. Jiva Vishishta Ishvara or Ishvara Vishishta Jiva. So if you try to understand Tattvam Asi in this way, like Nilam Utpalam Asti, Jiva Ishvara Asti. So Jiva is Visheshana for Ishvara, or Ishvara is Visheshana for Jiva. In that there is Virodha, Paraspar Virodha. Why? Ishvara Vishishta Jiva, if you think, Jiva has its own limitations. Parichinnatva, Alpajnatva, etc. No matter what becomes its Visheshana, ultimately Visheshya, because it is limited, finite, Visheshanas will have no meaning. And if you say Visheshana is Parichinna, Jiva is Visheshana for Ishvara who is Aparichinna, then Parichinnena Vishishta Ishvara will become Parichinna. In the Visheshana Vishesha, whatever is smallest will decide the Vishishta. Whatever has the minimum guna, that will end up in Vishishta. If like two people are there, one person can walk at the speed of 10 miles per hour or 10 kilometers per hour. The other can walk 3 kilometers per hour. But they have to walk together. So what is the resultant speed? 3 only. So if Visheshana, Visheshya have to go together, whatever is the least one, that is going to be there in the Vishishta. So Anyatara Vishishte Anyatare va Paryavasanam Agachat Kalpita Bheda Paramarshena Lakshanaya. And therefore, because there is Viruddha Vachyartha, its Paryavasanam will not happen in either Samsarga or Anyatara Vishishta Anyatare. And therefore, Lakshanaya. How Lakshana will do? That Bheda is Kalpita. Kalpita Bhedasya Paramarsha. Thinking in this way, Lakshanaya Vigata Parokshatvadi Amshe Swarupa Matre Soyam Devadatta iti vad akhande paryavasyati iti pratyagatma avagatyantau tattvam shabda vuktau vityartha. Lakshanaya Vigata Parokshatvadi Amshe, Parokshatva, Aparokshatva, Parichinnatva, Aparichinnatva, all of them you remove. They have Paraspar Virodha and they are Mithya. They are Kalpita in Chaitanya. Then where is the Lakshana indicating Swarupa Matre, like Soyam Devadatta iti Vakyavat. Akhande Paryavasyati. This is Akhandartha Bodhaka Vakya. Means Soyam Devadatta indicates that Vyakti Matra Devadatta, which is Tatkala, Taddesha, Tadavastha Vishishta, Etatkala, Etaddesh, Etadavastha Vishishta, all of that is removed. Paryavasyati. Pratyagatma avagatyantau tattvam shabdau uktau. In this way, tattvam shabda, they are culminating in Pratyagatma. So here, Bhagavan Bhashyakara, the Granthakara, is not elaborating any of these ideas. Because he is expecting that in Veda, Vakya Vritti, all this is explained in detail. Or in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, Bhagavan Bhashyakara has dealt with this. Now question. Nanu Tattvam Padayoho Samanadhikaranyam Amshamshitwadi Vishayataya api Upapatshyate. Tattvam Padayoho Samanadhikaranyam, they can have Amshamshi Bhava. Why you have to have Akhandartha Bodha? Upapatsyate. Padgatau dhatu.
Drit lakara.
Drit lakara. Pratham Purush Ekvachan. Kim Akhandarthata Pakshapata. Why you are favoring Akhandartha Bodha? Amshamshi, this Vishishta Advaita. Ishvara Amsha Jiva Abhinashi. Right? Mamaivamsho Jiva Loke. So they will give this kind of quotations. Pakshapata. Iti ataha. Now what is the remaining part?
चेतन अमल सहज सुख राशि.
Chetana Amala Sahaja Sukha Rasi. That Jiva is Chetana only. Amala Sahaja Sukha. Nanyo Artha. Na Anyo Artho Arthat Virodhi Ataha. So you have to read it this way. Ataha, since they are Pratyagatma Avagatyantau, therefore Ataha Anyo Artho Arthat Virodhi Na. Arthat means that Akhandartha Artha, the way we have given, then that any other meaning, Amshamshi Bhava, or he will give other Vikalpas, none of them are valid. They are all subject to negation. Na anyo artha. Ato asmad uktad akhandarthat ekarasat virodhi anyo artho na vedanteshu pratipadyata ityartha. Ataha means asmad uktad akhandarthat. Other than what we have given as akhandartha ekarasa, virodhi of that, any other artha, where akhanda artha is not there, that is virodhi. Anyo artho vedanteshu na pratipadyate. That is not what Vedanta would reveal. Amshamshi bhava is rejected. Tadidam vivakshitam tattvam arthayoho suvarna kundalam itivat na karya karana bhavena samsargah sambhavati. Tattvam artha, between them, Suvarna and Kundalam. Ishvara is Karana, Jiva is Karya. Or somebody may say Jiva is Karana, Ishvara is Karya, whatever. Suvarna Kundalam itivat Karya Karana Bhavena Sansarga na Sambhavati. This kind of Sansarga is not there. So Karya Karana Bhava is rejected. Any Shruti, yes. Anyatrasmat Kritakratat iti Shruti Virodhat. This Chaitanyam is neither Karya nor Karana. Nayam Kutaschin na Babhuva Kaschin. Or Apurvam Anaparam Anantaram Abahyam. All these quotations are there to reject Karya Karana Bhava. Napi Bhumi Aksharadivat Amshamshi Bhavena. Amshamshi Bhavena Samsarga. You have to understand. Bhumi Aksharadivat. Amshamshi. So Bhumi is, you can take as some part of land. That word actually is Usharadi. Bhumyusharadi. You can change that. Ya you add U, Raswa U, and Ksha you make Sha. Bhumi Usharadivat. Bhumi is total land. Ushara Bhumi is Amsha, part of it. Amshamshi Bhava is not possible. Why? Nishkalam, Nishkriyam, Shantam. So Chetana is Nishkalam. इत्यादि कूटस्थैक रस प्रतिपादक श्रुति विरोधात. Shruti virodha will happen if you accept Amshamshi Bhava or Karya Karana Bhava. Two are done. Karya Karana, Amshamshi. Both of them we had Shruti also. So Shruti Pratipadanam is in Kutastha Ekarasa Brahma. Napi Guna Guni Bhavena Neelam Utpalam Itivat. Neither there is Guna Guni Bhava. Ishvara is Guni, Jiva is its Guna, means some Visheshana. Like Neelam Utpalam. Neelam Utpalam can have this. But Ishvara Jiva, they are not Guna Guni. Why? Chetana is Nirguna. Nirgunatva Shruti Virodhat. Sakshi Cheta Kevalo
Nirguna.
Nirgunatva Shruti Virodhat. Three are done. Next, Napi Jati Vyakti Vishishta Swarupadi Prakarena Samsarga. Jati Vyakti Vishishta Swarupa. Jati Vyakti Vishishta Swarupa, Drishtanta is Gotva Surabhi. Gotva Jati Vishishta Surabhi Vyakti. Surabhi is the type of a cow. So it has Gotva Jati and Surabhi is the Vyakti. Like that, some Ishwaratva Jati is there, Jiva is Vyakti. Jati Vyakti Vishishta Swarupa is not there in Chaitanya. Chaitanya doesn't have Jati, therefore Chaitanya doesn't have Vyakti. What is that Shabda? Ananugata and
Anavaktam, Anavaktam, Ananagut,
Avartam.
no,
Avrittam Ananugatam.
Avyavrittam Ananugatam. Avyavrittam Ananugatam. Chaitanya is Avyavritta Ananugata. Shruti is given Ekameva Advitiyam. So there is no Sajatiya Bheda also. No Swagata Bheda also. Then Asango Hiyayam Purushaha. Jati Vyakti Vishishta will require some Sangha. Purusha is, Chetana is Asanga. Ityadi Shruti Virodhat. Four are done. Karya Karana means you have to understand, I am neither Karya nor Karana. I am neither Amsha nor Amshi. I am neither Guna. I don't have any Guna. I am not Guni also. I am not Jati. I am not Vyakti. Fifth one is not given here, but they are given in other commentaries. Other means other grantha, like Vedanta Sara, some Vakya Vritti also might have. Kriya Kriyavan or Kriya Kriyavat, like Guna Guni means Gunavan, like that Kriya Kriyavan. So Kriya Kriyavan, Kriyavan is Ratha, Kriya is Gamana, Ratha Gamana. This is fifth one. Kriya, you can write this down, Kriya Kriyavan. I think in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangra Tika, this is also there. Tasmad, so what is the Shruti for Kriya Kriyavan Nisheda?
Nishkriyam.
Same Shruti which is given earlier. Nishkalam, Nishkriyam, Shantam, same you can use. Tathacha. No. Tasmat, Vishishta Samsarga Virodhi Vastu Matra Nishthatvam Vakyasya Akhandarthatvam Iha Vivakshitam. Therefore, Vishishta Samsarga Virodhi Matra Nishthatvam. Vishishta Samsarga Virodhi means Vishishtancha Sansargascha iti Vishishta Sansargau. Tayor Virodhi Vastu Matram. That which is neither Vishishta nor Samsarga. In such thing which is Akhandartha, Tasmin Matra Nishthatvam. Vakyartham. Vakyartha is Nishtha in Akhanda Bodha alone, not in Vishishta, not in Sansarga. Vakyasya Akhandarthatvam. Kasmin Nishtham? Vishishta Sansarga Virodhi Matra Nishthatvam. This tika, after this session, everybody should go through again. Lot of details are there in this. Vakyasya akhandarthatvam iha vivakshitam. Tathacha. Now anumanam. He has explained all this. Now vimatam akhandartha nishtham upadhi paramarshamantarena avibhavyaman bheda vastu nishthatvat. You have to connect avibhavyamana and bheda vastu all together. Avibhavyamana bheda vastu nishthatvat soyam devadattaha iti vakyavat or kham chidram ityadi vakyavat. So drashtantas are straightforward. Soyam devadattaha. Kham chidram means mahakasha ghatakasha. So both are pointing out at Akasha. Vimatam. What will you take as Vimatam? What is Paksha?
Akhandartha bodhaka vakya. Tattvam.
Akhandartha?
Bodhaka vakya.
No, say that again.
Akhandartha bodhaka vakya.
Vakya. Vimatam is Vakyartha actually. Just Vakyartha. Because Sadhya is given as Akhandartha Nishtham. So Vakyartham or Vakyarthaha Akhandartha Nishtham. This is the Pratignya. Hetu is Upadhi Paramarsham Antarena Avibhavyaman Bheda Vastu Nishthatvat. Means Bheda Vastu Nishthatvam. Up to this is Hetu. Without including Upadhi, Upadhi Paramarsham Antarena. Antarena means Vina. Without Upadhi, Avibhavyamana Bheda Vastu Nishthatvat. In that, Vibhavyamana Bheda will not be there. Seeming difference will not be there unless you include Upadhi. Upadhi Paramarsham Antarena Avibhavyamana Bheda Vastu Nishthatvat. Therefore, it is Akhandartha. Yatra yatra Upadhi Paramarsham Antarena Vibhavyamana Bheda Vastu Nishthatvam Tatra Tatra अखंडार्थ निष्ठत्वम, this is the vyapti. So in Soyam Devadatta, only when you take upadhi, taddesha, tatkala, taddesha, tatkala, etc., then there is vibhavyamana bheda. Otherwise, avibhavyamana bheda vastu nishthatva. Similarly, Ghata and Mahakasha, upadhis are creating the bheda. Otherwise, there is akhandartha bodhakatvam. Like that, Mahavakya also has akhandartha nishthatvam. That akhanda artha I am. This should be my chintana. And that I am all pervading. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.